Root Beer Falls.
Root beer.
It is a small waterfall, only 5 or 6 feet, but reviews say it's pretty nice. Now they also call the Tequamagon, is it? Waterfall, Root Beer Falls, but this is not that one. This is a much smaller.
This is Stevens Point root beer.
Unfortunately, we won't be seeing Tequamagon. I gotta look up and see how to pronounce that.
I watched that road, surely.
Thomaston Road. Be coming up shortly, huh? It's on the right, is it?
Yeah, hard right.
Thomaston Road.
Half mile.
Half a mile, sharp right onto Thomaston Road. Continue for 1.5 miles.
It looked like there was a little sign there.
You've arrived.
Unless this is it here?
Private property staple all over.
Go back to that. There was a little brown sign there, and then there was like an open area. That could have been it.
Oh, shit. Almost got nailed there. Freaked me out. Didn't you?
I didn't see him.
I turned and looked. That's all I was blinking. I'm like, ooh. Didn't want to try to have you show the cop why I was tired.
The thing said you could see him from the damn road. Oh, I'll get out by this bridge here and see if we see him, I guess. Oh, there's a little walkway. I can hear something. Now, which way we freaking go here?
Let's see, curve.
Sounds like they're like right up there, huh? We have to go through the brush.
Yeah.
Glunk, glunk. Whew.
What?
What? No trail?
Bubbling.
Yeah, sounds like a little bit of rapids there. Looks like we maybe should have.
Oh, wow.
Freaking tree in the way now. Yeah, we sure as hell don't want to get soaking wet.
It's gonna get wet either way, I guess.
You want to call this one a bust?
Yeah.
So Gabbro Falls is about 30 miles from camp.
Wasn't me.
That smells a little bit like, what am I always smelling? That smells like propane. I guess I just got propane on the brain or something. I don't know.
Sunday Lake Campground.
Yeah. Maybe we should go take a look at that. Whee! Here we are back in Wakefield.
Week.
Check out the Sunday Lake Campground. See what it's all about.
City of Wakefield.
Recreation destination. I suppose because they have a lake.
What?
I said I suppose because they have a lake. Lots of recreation in a lake. Around a lake.
I don't know if I would like this one. Kick the guy gather in front of each other.
Yeah, this looks like just one of your like parking lot type campgrounds.
But they do have some trees.
Yeah, there are some trees. That's always good.
Yeah. Good job.
We have ice. Yeah, like, wow.
They're like packed in there.
Definitely not my kind of campground. Wow, look at the setup they have.
Yeah.
Holy moly's.
Got
Wow.
a couple mil there.
Wouldn't want to have to drive that thing.
Well, I wouldn't mind it.
Well, these ones over here kind of by themselves aren't bad. Right in front of the lake and nobody right next to you. Ah! Oh!
Oh, yeah, I got some on your 40.
Of course, there are sites there. Just,
They're close.
yeah.
The top one.
There just doesn't happen to be anybody there. This one's on the end, kind
They
of
got
by
water,
themselves.
too.
So that's nice there.
You got water. Car to hook up.
Yeah, that's always a plus.
Everyone's got water hooked up, huh?
Yeah,
I wouldn't mind having.
water and electric. Yeah, these lakeside ones aren't the worst I've seen.
No, actually. We got some spaces in between each other.
This one's got a lot of room here.
Somebody's renting cruiseamerica.com. There's another one.
Yeah, I see them. I've seen like 3 of them already.
The outer perimeter ain't bad.
This is nice here with all these trees, so yeah, that's nice. I like that one. Yeah, the outer ones are pretty nice by the lake.
We don't want the inner ones. Look at that little leggy bastard. Among all these big old RVers is a pop-up. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see. Somewhat.
Now we know.
Yeah, as many times as we went past this place, we finally checked it out.
Ice, $2.
Hmm.
There's the office.
Firewood is $5 a
that?
bundle, or 20 for 5 bundles. That's only $4 a bundle.
Like that.
Now we gotta watch for Blackjack Road. And that'll be on the right side.
Woo!
on Baker Blackjack Road for 1.5 miles.
There are 3 cleared routes that cross the road, the last one with power lines along it. Park at the last one and head left to the river. Follow the loose path downstream to the falls, which should be loud enough to easily draw you out of the woods. So there's power lines.
You've arrived.
The last one with power lines. Park at the last one and head left.
Right here.
Yeah, right by this little road here. That's just past the power lines, so. That looks like it might be a loose path there. Yeah, that looks like a trail there. So this must be it.
Okay.
I can definitely hear it. Well, we got 2.
Follow one.
A little steep.
Hey, what is that?
I don't think this is the one. That goes down into a pool. Oh, it feels like it's warming up. That's good.
Wow.
Thinking we gotta go around, maybe? Looks like a trail, kind of a trail here, and it did say loose path. This definitely looks like a loose path. They sound like they're like right there. Holy man, we are like on a cliff.
Yeah, I would do that.
I want to try parking by the power lines and going up on that ridge there.
Let's see, walk up.
It's right there, but you can't get no view of it. Oh, there's a trail. Sounds like it's in between them rocks. I ain't gonna be able to see it. That sucks. Can't really get down there anymore either. These rocks are pretty cool though.
Maybe we'll see from that way.
Oh yeah, there's a little waterfall. I can see a little one up there, yeah. Well, that's pretty. I'm gonna try and get over there. See if I can see that one. Oh, here's a little baby one. Oh, you can see the top of it. Too slippery. Too slippery. Move it from over here. Oh, so close. Okay. Let's try. Huh. Now if I get in my butt here, might be able to get down. There we go. Woo. Don't want to fall down there. Wow. I got as close as I could, but I got one view kind of sideways, but it looks like it comes down and then it goes down again, and I just couldn't get a full view of them. No matter how far I went out on the rocks. Whew, I went right to the, yeah, as far as I could go. This looks like a nice spot though. You see something down here?
Up there.
Oh, some more.
Spot.
Oh, cool. It's a really nice area. Nice. Pretty. Well, it looks like a series of little drops and rapids. And the big one down there drops off, which I could not get a full view of, unfortunately. Still is pretty. Oh, where did my honey go now? I don't see any blue anywhere. Oh, there he is, further up the trail. See what we see up here.
On the easy way, get back.
Right up the power lines, huh?
A little shot there for you.
But I wonder why they send you down here. You can't even see the waterfall.
You can't.
But I see a lot of pretty little waterfalls. Those are sometimes prettier than one big one. That's pretty. Yeah, I just couldn't quite get a view of the big one. Whew. But I got to climb on some rocks. That was fun.
Yeah.
I always love to climb on rocks. Ooh, it's quite a steep hill. Oh.
Yeah.
Whew. At least we were smart enough to remember our hiking boots this time. Otherwise our feet would be soaked. Private property. Well, what the hell they tell you to go there for then? Jesus. Unless so many people were going here, they put that sign up. Yeah, I guess we'll have to find ones that have established trails and make sure we're not trespassing.